Okay, we're back today with another video. Today we're going to be looking at the next project layout we're going to be doing here at Raildig. Now this one is, well, the previous one was the Bad Bayou Shadowbox in N scale using the Microtrains graffiti car, the Halloween graffiti car. This one's also going to use Microtrains, but some of their Z-scale kits. And I had built, I guess about 8 or 10, maybe 10 kits several years back. And they've been in storage since, and I haven't built anything with them, and that kind of seems a real waste because they're such beautiful kits. Anyway, Rob suggested that I do a shadow box in Z-scale, but instead of just a static model, we will make it operational. We will have running trains here. Now, this box, even for Z-scale, is kind of small. This box, the outer dimensions, are about 7 inches by just about 16 inches. Even for Z-scale, that's small, unless we use the Shorty, the Rokuhan Shorty locomotive, and the track that Rokuhan makes specifically for the Shorty. This is small stuff. This track is from roadbed edge to roadbed edge for the smallest oval they make, about 4 to 6 inches, 4 by 6 inches. You can see, pretty tiny. And here, where is it? Here is the Rokuhan Shorty locomotive. Measures in coupler to coupler, or actually, let's just look at the body of it. About 1.5 inches long. Now that would work in this box, but the problem we have here is that we have these kits. Well, not a problem, it's a good thing. But all the kits will not fit in a box this size. So what I've done, we're going to have to make a new box. So let me move these aside. What I've done here is just marked up the tabletop with some blue tape for the outer dimensions of the current box. And you'll see, no matter how I arrange them, there is just not enough space for 10 kits. 10 or 12 kits and a couple of docks as well. And you can see, yeah, okay, that's a little snug. Okay, that won't work. And we haven't even gotten to the track yet. Let's say we have the track. That's a little snug. And the locomotive. Pardon me. So yeah, that's not going to work. We definitely need a bigger shadow box. And that's what this project's going to be. I have a lot of extra wood, the pallet wood that I had collected for that shadow box, the Bad Bayou N scale. Got a lot of that downstairs. So what I have to do is just come out with the proper dimensions, or a better set of dimensions for this box. Now, I don't want to make it too big because I do like the compact size of it. So it's going to have to be a little longer. I don't know how long. Yeah, I'm going to have to play with the track plan because I'd like to have a little bit of switching, or at least a siding or two in this box. So what we'll do is do a track plan, come up with a track plan, play with some tape, see how big we can make this layout. But yeah, I think this is going to be a lot of fun. A lot of lighting in there, obviously. And that's it. We're ready to get to work here. We'll see you soon.